Hey everybody, Brain Barr from Foreign Cars Charlotte. We're going to take a look at a 1958 Austin Healy 106, also known as the Big Healy. The legendary Austin Healy 106, as I mentioned, the Big Healy. This one is a complete restoration and done to a very high standard. The beautiful black leather interior with the red piping, the jump seats, gorgeous Colorado red and black two-tone paint job. You can see we have a bumper delete in the back with just the overriders, the wire wheels, the traditional knockoff spinner wire wheels. Just so classic. And then that front end, the Healy 106. This one again, bumper delete, has the overriders. It's just a wonderful automobile. The 106 drives great. These cars were way ahead of their time in 1958, just leaps and bounds of other contemporary sports cars. And as you know, the Big Healys and that inline six make a wonderful, wonderful noise. Let's hear it. Listen to that inline six purr. That raspy exhaust note. What a fantastic touring car. The Healy 106, this 1958 example. Just a wonderful car right here in our Charlotte showroom at Foreign Cars Charlotte, right off Tyvola Road. Come and see us. Until next time, I'm Brian.